Welcome to Hospitality Engineering. Today's topic, concrete, wood and metals in hotels. We delve into the fascinating world of tropical engineering, specifically tailored for hotels in hot and humid climates. This approach ensures that our designs not only withstand the elements but also embrace local materials that enhance durability and sustainability. Now, let's talk materials. In tropical engineering, our main players are concrete, wood, and metals. Concrete forms the backbone of our structures, wood adds warmth and charm to interiors, while metals provide essential strength and functionality. Concrete is a powerhouse, durable, moldable, and fire-resistant. But it faces challenges in our tropical environment. High humidity can affect curing, and we must be wary of steel corrosion within the concrete itself. So, how do we ensure our concrete performs optimally? First, use clean water and non-salty aggregates. Cure in shaded, moist conditions, reinforce with coated steel, and avoid delays during mixing and placement. These practices are vital for long-lasting structures. Next up is wood. Its aesthetic appeal is undeniable, and being a local and renewable resource makes it an excellent choice. Plus, it offers insulation benefits that are crucial in tropical climates. However, wood isn't without its challenges. It's susceptible to termites, decay, and moisture swelling, and we must also consider the fire risk. To combat these issues, proper treatment and sealing are essential. To protect our wooden elements, we recommend using kiln-dried, durable hardwood, applying preservatives like boron and CCA, elevating wood from the ground, and ensuring adequate ventilation. These steps will help prolong the life of our wooden structures. Now, let's explore metals. Steel serves as vital reinforcement and framing material, while aluminum finds its way into doors and windows. Galvanized iron sheets make for robust roofing, and copper or brass can add beautiful decorative touches. But be cautious. Metals have their risks too. Salt air can lead to corrosion, condensation can cause rust, and aluminum can react negatively with concrete. To mitigate these risks, we should use stainless or galvanized steel, apply protective paint or epoxy coatings, seal all joints and gaps, and conduct regular inspections to catch any issues early. The magic happens when we blend these materials. Concrete provides stability, wood offers warmth and style, and metals ensure structural integrity. Together, they create a harmonious balance of aesthetics and performance. As we move to construction, remember to use local materials, optimize designs for weather resistance, and ensure proper airflow and drainage. Elevating wooden and metal elements will protect them from moisture and pests. Let's consider an example, an eco-resort project. Imagine a solid concrete base, beautiful timber walls and decks, and sleek aluminum roofing, all complemented by treated wood for longevity. Before breaking ground, ask yourself, are materials locally available? Will they withstand climate and pests? Are they cost-effective and low maintenance? And, crucially, are they compatible with each other? Our choices also matter. Opt for renewable and recyclable materials, plan for long-term durability, and train workers in tropical construction techniques. Slide 17. To summarize visually. Concrete equals strength, wood equals comfort, metal equals structure, and when combined, they create balance. Now, why should hotel owners care about these principles? The benefits are clear: reduced maintenance, enhanced guest comfort, extended building life, and an eco-friendly image that attracts modern travelers. Finally, let's touch on common mistakes to avoid. Never use untreated wood, ignore corrosion risks, neglect concrete curing, or forget ventilation planning. Awareness can save time and money. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and comment to our YouTube channel. Hospitality Engineering. Want to learn more and get certified? Register now on our portal. https://hegsdc.com